Hello, welcome back to the Happy Huts. If you're new to the channel, my name's Neil. I'm a tightwad dad where we try to be happy with what we've already got, and today I'm trying to be happy with this. It's the Amazon Basics compact ergonomic wireless mouse with fast scrolling in black. I went for the black colour. It also comes in blue, purple, red and silver. This is how it arrives to it. I'll come closer to the camera. This is how it arrives, fresh from Amazon. Let's unbox this baby. Now, I don't really buy many mouses. Is it mouses or mice? But it comes in a really nice little box, and this is what it looks like. I'll show you what it looks like actually plugged into the computer in a moment. And if you've not bought a wireless mouse before, this is how it works. Basically, a little dongle thing. This is the wireless thing that you plug into your computer. It's a USB receiver. You put that into a USB port. But what's a nice touch, apart from the nice cardboard box and instruction manual, is it looks like it comes with an Amazon Basics AA battery. I mean, it doesn't feel that expensive, but it doesn't feel that cheap either, so that's good. Let's put the battery in. And then to turn it on, there is a on-off switch on the bottom here, ready to do some mouse action. I'll give you some more close-ups while we plug it into the PC. Okay, so I've read a bit of the instructions. There's already two clever things with this mouse. The first is this hole here in the bottom is actually a storage compartment for the receiver. And because of the ridged edge of the receiver, that's what keeps it in that hole there. And the other clever thing is this button here looks like a fast forward button. This is actually the thing that activates fast scrolling, whatever that is, when you're scrolling on the scroll wheel. It's got a left button and a right button. It's got a blinking LED to show that it's in action. On the side here, there's a forward button and a backward button that you can use with your thumb while you're holding the mouse. I've come out of the sun and into the Happy Hut to plug this in. It could not be easier. Just get your USB port and plug in the wireless receiver like this. And instantly, as soon as I start moving the mouse moves around the screen. I don't know if I can get this on camera. Where is it? There. I don't know if you can see. This is the other YouTube channel that I run. I don't know if you can see the cursor is just flicking up and down. Wow, this feels really good. Obviously, you can go into your Windows settings if it's moving a little fast for you, which it actually is, because the mouse I had before was tiny from, I think that might have been from Poundland, the dollar store here in the UK. Oh, by the way, there's a link to this mouse in the description if this is the wireless mouse that you're after. Okay, so I've just figured out what the default forward and backward buttons do on the mouse. It actually takes your browser forward and backwards. So using these forward and backward buttons on the side here is exactly the same as hitting forward and backward on the browser. I'm finding it really smooth on screen, and in my hand it's just really comfortable. I mean, it's going to be really comfortable after I've spent so long on a tiny mouse. The way that you can grip it just feels so much more comfortable. It feels like I've got more control. But big question, will it work on my MacBook Pro? Let's give it a go. And I'll put the USB receiver into the side of my MacBook Pro. Whoa, yeah, it's working instantly. It is working really smoothly. Not that I thought that it wouldn't, but let's see if I can do some video editing with it. And this is working just as well with my Mac as it was with my PC, my Windows PC. So if it's not clear enough already, the Amazon Basics wireless mouse, ergonomic mouse, is an absolute hit. It's a keeper. I'm going to keep this. If this video is helping, why not hit the thumbs up button? That will really help someone else to find this video. And if you're feeling even kinder, why not hit the subscribe button? You don't have to watch any of my videos ever again. But I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers to get the money, the coin from YouTube at no extra cost to you. So if you're feeling awesome, thanks so much for hitting that button, and good luck with your Amazon Basics wireless mouse.